everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm present with the latest update of the Vechain. So what's going on this time in the Vechain? What's the price of Vechain? What's the price changes occur in the Vechain? And what is the next move of Vechain? What is the price prediction update? I will show you in this video. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button now and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. So friends, the current price of the Vechain in this time in the market as 0.134397 USD dollar is the currently price of the Vechain, friends. And on the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Vechain, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price changes occur in the Vechain as going negative. Only and only you can see here the positive 24.23% price change as positive. That is the last 1 day price changes occur in the Vechain, friends. So that's mean that the Vechain start jumping in the yesterday, friends, from yesterday. But unfortunately now again the dumping time of the Vechain starts now. So I hope that they will this dump will continue for a short time. Let's see, my friends. As you can see here now, currently in the previous last 1 hour, the dumping time of the Vechain starts now, friends. And now they are in the farming mood this time. They have no idea to take a jump now in this time. But my prediction is that the Vechain falls down. This fast continue for to the next few hours, friends. After a few hours, there is again chance to Vechain take a jump in the future, friends. What do you think? What do you think, my friends? Tell me in the comment box. And friends, I feel like the previous time changes occur. So as I told you that the previous time is going positive, but unfortunately now after some passage of time they don't continue as jump for a long time, friends. And now this time they are again falls down, friends. So I believe that the Vechain continue this falls for a short time, and I hope that very soon they will again start moving upward. What do you think? That's my prediction, my friends. Anyways, if you look, the price changes occur in the 24 hours in the last 1 day. So positive 24.23% price change is going positive, and 0.14548 USD dollar is the highest price of the Vechain in the last 1 day, friends. What do you think? Please tell me in the comment box that what's your prediction, what's your opinion about Vechain. Share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.